my channel. It's me, your girl Jenny Fine. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are safe and doing well. So this is a bit unusual for my normal portrait kind of makeup video. I just want you guys to see everything, and from the title of this video I am gonna be unboxing an item. Okay, it's my birthday gift. I got it 2 months early. As you know, my birthday falls around September-ish. And it's not even August yet, so we still like halfway through to July. Like next week is the end of July, so literally it's about 2 months to my birthday, and I got this item. I really want to show you my expression of what I got, my full reaction, and my excitement and everything. The box has been open. I've seen the top a bit, so I really know what I got, but I've not actually seen in full details of what it is and what color it is, what make, stuff like that. I really want to see my reaction, and I still want to use this item as soon as possible, so I don't want to wait too much time to open it or to use it. So that's why ends this video, hence unboxing of what I got for my birthday 2 months early. Should I abracadabra the laptop? Yes or no? Okay.
All hi YouTube people. Hey.
Right, so this is what I got, from one person, and this is the item in this packaging. I haven't opened it yet, but I'm excited. So it's a brown box, and voila.
Mac hair. I have MacBook.
MacBook Air. You have MacBook Air. That is 30 something inch. I don't know what the make is.
I'm glad the flash my house start from new. No, install any of your nonsense. Go and install it on yours. Yeah, go and install it on yours. Let me be flashing blind.
Can I continue my video?
Yeah, come on.
So anyway, guys, this is a MacBook Air, brand new from its packaging, as you can see. Ooh, wow, it's silver. I'm used to silver, but okay. So I'm opening it. Ooh, right. This is incredible. Okay, how am I gonna do? Ooh. I have to open it. Ooh, I keep saying "oh." So this is a space gray laptop. Not bad. It's not really silver. Very space gray. Right. Lift that up. Ooh, brand new, guys. Still in the sleeve, brand new. Yeah, okay, it's not bad. I like the color. It's like a really dark gray. It's not like, okay, it's not silver-ish. Okay, in the box. This is probably second time unboxing a MacBook, or maybe first, I have no idea. The charger, and design in California. Okay, more information about the laptop and the charging head of this laptop right here. I think you can use two if you want. Okay, I think you connect them together. Right, I don't know, there's nothing else underneath. So yeah, information about this laptop at the back. So this is a 13 inches MacBook Air, Retina LED backlit display, 8 GB of something memory, 257 GB of base SSD, 2 Thunderbolt USB spots for headphone jack, touch ID, full size backlit magic keyboard, FaceTime HD camera, pre-install Mac OS, size and weight. So this is a 2020 model of MacBook here. Designed by Apple in California. Anyway, yeah. More information, how to use it. I am so excited and I am very, very happy, and I'm grateful to God for this. Voila guys. Yeah, mine's darker. See, I'm opening it up. Unboxing this. Why did it got me like that? Oh yeah, look at the color now. See it? See the color? See? It's not the same. And the light, yours is lighter, yours is darker.
Okay.
But it's bigger than that one. Or is it the same thing?
I think it's the same.
Ooh, look at that. So probably I'll get this a case, you know. It sure have a logo. Okay guys, I am really, really excited. At the same time, I want to snap these, you know, everywhere. See, I like the trackpad that they leave your mouse. It's very big and spacious. The keyboard looks very firm and big. I like it. Wow, the speakers are all on top of there. Okay, here's the headlight port. What?
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
It's English. English UK.
To use British English as the main language, press the return key.
What is return? English UK. We're in the United Kingdom. I'm gonna have trouble with this laptop. I'm not used to this laptop because it doesn't have USB port. That means I have to go buy a USB port to use it, or something that will make me connect to a USB port. My goodness. So I'm just connecting to my Wi-Fi now, just to set up this computer. Yeah, basically that's it guys. I am excited and I'm happy and looking forward to using this. You know, obviously the new modern, about 2 years ago now, modern screen are all larger. It's just like your iPhone 10 and your iPhone 11 screen are all larger to the side compared to the older models, which like are a bit constricted and limited. So the screen is a really, really wide screen. The, you know, keyboard is very easy and soft touch, and so far I am happy. And on that note guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. When it comes to my birthday, obviously I'll still get a lot of things from other people, and it's something that I'm gonna treat myself with, so I will still show you guys this laptop. But for now, this is just my first reaction, unboxing the video and what I got for my birthday. Helly. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you don't, still give it a thumbs up, you know. And until then guys, I will be seeing you in my next video. So please take care of yourself and be nice to others, you know. Always be nice, then you'll get nice stuff like this. Okay, so I'm just gonna play with this a little bit, set it up and see where we go from there. I might not use it fully because I don't have, you know, something to use a USB with, but who knows. Bye. Yes. Any meal pro